Okay, so as you can see, these are well lit. This is the laser right there, that's the flashlight, and it's basically lighting up all these water bottles. And I noticed that they're a little bit more lit, but as you can see, the light is reflecting off of all the little curves of the um bottle. But my idea was something like this, where all the bottles could be lit. And I guess a better way to do this experiment would have to be um like pieces of plastics. Like if you took sticky notes and you were to place them all the way across the straight path, and then my next approach I thought would be, okay, so say for example this was a clear transparent little thing that I was talking about, and inside of it, the walls or the framework around it would have some type of mirror effect to bounce the lighting down. So so remember I said it would be like square right here, like a little device somehow, and then the frame will have some type of reflectors to reflect the light downwards. So when the light passes through it like that, and there's a bunch of these things, the reflectors are going to do something like that, like a normal street light would. And I know this sounds kind of weird, and maybe I could have took some time to do this a little bit better, but I noticed that the water was preventing the light from going through each water bottle. So this is already like a small advancement to what I'm talking about. Now the idea with the frame having a reflector, as the light passes through one unit or object and reflecting that light down, would have to be in a way programmed like a solar panel to absorb that light as it passes through, and that this is going to be in the future advancement to like a multi-stage solar panel as well, because as soon as the light travels, you have one light source here going through multiple channels, multiple stages of of um of units here. So my vision is big. So I guess I have to make a small prototype. And so it'll be something like that. So when you're driving on the road, that's like a mile long. This is a small scale. You see all that? You're driving. There's light. Now, as the light passes through each object, somehow that light will be reflecting like it is here, like when it hits one of them, and it creates all that stuff there. it would do the same concept inside of the device, and therefore improving a lot of